Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll create a simple pagination using React.js. You will manage to using this pagination in your own project, and let's get started. Okay, before I create a simple project, I'll using free API and create a command folder for our pagination. Let's create folder for pagination. And create component. Using snippet. Okay, and import our component in our project. Also, I'm using one CSS file, and thanks to this file we can add space between our pagination and our cards. Okay, now we can start to create our pagination. First we need to create parameters for our pagination. We need sum of items. Also we need to function for change items. We can using change name, and also we need to active item, and we can using default 0. It'll be if we don't have information about active item. First we need to create a button for our pagination. We can change this tag on div, and also we can create our buttons. Okay, here is our button, and first we need to add stuff for our button using class and using the same file. Create border, add some colors. Okay, and also add padding. Oh no, we can using width and height. Okay, and change font size and add border radius. And create active button. Also delete background for all buttons. Okay, and add cursor pointer. Also add padding button in our main element. Okay. We create some styles, and now we can continue work on this component. First, let's add some. We can using free API and using use affect for get these elements. Also using Axios library, and we can add some elements. It'll be items len. Okay, let's continue. First, I think we can delete this folder because I thought that we'll be using CSS model and we'll create styles in this folder, but we created styles in main CSS and we can delete this file, this folder. Okay, now we need to add one more property, its name show items. It helps to know how many items we'll need to show user in the pages. Okay, now we can also add default. We can using 10, and let's create array using this data. We can name this array items. Calculate, we need to calculate some elements our pagination buttons. Let's look at the console. And also we need to round at this number. We can use much sale. Okay, and let's try to change show items. And also let's delete yes lint. Okay, now we don't see any mistakes, and let's look at the console. Now we have 4 pages. Okay, it's work, and next step we need to create array. We can using array method and using destructurization. Okay, and now we can create loop using these items. And add element here. Let's open. Everything works, but we need to change element we need to using index. Okay, and also add space between this button. Create new class. Okay, using display flags and using column gap. Okay, and now we need to add one. Everything looks nice, and we also need to add class Activa. We can add condition, and if Activa element is equal to index our item, we can add Activa class. Another, we add the empty string. Okay, now everything works, but our style doesn't work. Okay, now everything works, and also we need to change color for active item. We can using light or white. Okay, and now we need to add function for change our button. Create here new. We don't have function for limit for pages in API, and we need to create it in our front-end version. Okay. First we create limit. Using here, and also we need to create element sum. Also using here. And we need to use effect. And we need to create open element. We using state, create open page, and create set open page. Okay. Default will be using 1. And add this property. And create new listener on click, and when people click on our button, we need to change pages. Using React props. And add here one. Okay, now our pagination work, but we also need to create function for our items. First we need to watch for our items. Okay, create a new state for our product, because we don't can using API like I thought. Set products and create state, and we'll be using these products. In our loop. Okay, and create new function. This function help to get current pages items. Get current items. It also be array function, and first we need to get start index. Next we need to get end index. And we can return items, and we can using slice and using start index and end index. Let's change this name. And correct also here and here. Okay, and now we can using this function here. Also we using set products. And next we get let's look at the window. and also we need to add one dependencies. We need to add open page. Okay. Now everything works. Today we'll create a simple pagination. You can using this pagination in your own project, and if you like this video, please subscribe on the channel and see you in the next video.